Hi everyone. If you love cooking but hate clutter, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 10 compact kitchen must-haves that make smart cooking easier than ever. These gadgets save space, cut prep time, and even make cleanup a breeze. Whether you live in a tiny apartment or just want a more organized kitchen, these tools are total game changers. Stick around, because by the end, you'll discover a few must-haves you'll definitely want to grab for yourself. The links to each product are neatly arranged in the description box below for you to visit.
Number 10. Larder and Vine Enameled Cast Iron. The Larder and Vine Enameled Cast Iron 8QT Dutch Oven is a versatile kitchen essential, perfect for everyday cooking, from simmering soups to baking artisan bread and creating hearty one-pot meals. Its superior enameled cast iron design ensures even heat distribution and outstanding heat retention for perfectly cooked roasts, stews, and sourdough loaves. The tight-fitting lid with interior drip bumps locks in moisture, naturally basting food for richer flavor and tender, juicy results. Built with a durable triple-layer enamel that resists staining, chipping, and dulling, it requires no seasoning and stays looking new. Safe for all cooktops and oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, it features ergonomic handles, an easy clean surface, and a non-toxic PFAS-free coating for healthier cooking. Number 9. Yaren Cleaver Knife Set with Magnetic Block. The Yaren 5-piece cleaver knife set delivers premium performance with blades forged from 73 layers of Damascus stainless steel, with a 10CR15 COMOV steel core. This advanced construction provides exceptional sharpness, durability, and a stable 60+ or -2 HRC hardness for a refined, effortless cutting experience. The high-carbon Damascus blade composition, enriched with CR, MO, and CO, enhances rust resistance, wear resistance, and long-lasting edge retention. Each knife features a beautifully crafted sandalwood handle that resists shrinking and fading, while offering an ergonomic, comfortable grip for precision and reduced fatigue. The set includes a sleek magnetic block with hidden neodymium magnets, keeping knives secure and visible for easy selection. With proper rinsing and drying after use, these knives maintain their pristine condition for years. Number 8. Smurley Charcuterie Board Set. Elevate your hosting game with the Smurley Charcuterie Board Set, a large and versatile bamboo cheese board designed to impress any crowd. Perfect for intimate gatherings or lively parties, this 15.7-inch by 13.3-inch tray comes complete with bowls, cheese knives, and all essential accessories to create stunning appetizer displays. Its spacious three-sided design lets you unleash your creativity and craft eye-catching arrangements guests will love. An ideal housewarming, wedding, or holiday gift, it arrives in a decorative box that adds a thoughtful touch for couples and new homeowners. Crafted from premium bamboo, this durable board features natural water resistance, beautiful grain patterns, and excellent scratch resistance, ensuring long-lasting beauty and dependable performance for years of enjoyable entertaining. Number 7. Modular Buffet Storage Cabinet. The Modular Buffet Storage Cabinet offers the perfect blend of style, function, and flexibility for modern homes. Measuring 63-inch W x 15.7, D x 31.5 H. This spacious 4-door sideboard features adjustable shelves that allow you to organize kitchenware, dining essentials, or daily items with ease. Its modular design lets you arrange additional pieces or a matching hutch to create a customized storage system that fits your space perfectly. Crafted from durable laminated MDF with elegant brass handles, it resists warping and maintains long-lasting stability. The classic symmetrical silhouette, arched details, and natural wood grain elevate any interior. With interchangeable glass and wooden door panels, you can display decor or keep items hidden. Comes with a 30-day free return and 1-year warranty. Number 6. Frigidaire 5-in-1 Air Fryer Combo Oven. The Frigidaire 5-in-1 Air Fryer Combo Oven delivers exceptional versatility with 5 cooking modes: air fry, bake, reheat, dehydrate, and rotisserie, making it easy to prepare everything from crispy snacks to full family meals. With 7 pre-programmed recipe presets for meat, chicken, fish, vegetables, frozen snacks, dinner rolls, and cake, cooking becomes effortless at the touch of a button. The illuminated viewing window and bright interior light let you monitor progress without opening the door. Its generous 12.6-quart capacity fits a personal pizza, a batch of cupcakes, or up to 2.4 pounds of fries while maintaining a compact footprint. The oven includes a non-stick basket, 2 racks, a rotisserie kit, and a drip tray with all cooking surfaces PFAS-free for safer meal prep. Number 5. Our Place Dream Cooker. The Our Place Dream Cooker turns everyday meals into effortless creations with 4 intuitive modes: pressure cook, slow cook, sear and sauté, and keep warm. Pressure cooking lets you prepare dishes up to 80% faster, making busy weeknights a breeze. Toxin-free, easy-to clean. Its 6-quart inner pot features a toxin-free nonstick coating, so food slides out easily and cleanup is hassle-free. Hands-free convenience. Enjoy hands-free steam release, automatic keep warm, and 9 built-in safety features. Tailored control panel. Adjust time, temperature, and mode with zero confusion. Stylish countertop aesthetic. Designed to look as good as it performs on any countertop. Number 4. Butane Torch Lighter Combo. Take your culinary skills to the next level with the Chef Master Butane Torch Lighter Combo, complete with 4 by 8 ounce fuel canisters for extended, uninterrupted use. This refillable torch delivers a powerful, adjustable flame perfect for creme brulee, searing meats, browning meringues, melting cheese, and adding gourmet finishing touches to any dish. Built for both professionals and home cooks, it offers up to 4,220 BTU and temperatures reaching 2,012 degrees Fahrenheit for exceptional precision. Its lightweight, portable design makes it equally useful for camping, BBQs, and lighting fireplaces. A true kitchen and outdoor essential for flawless, restaurant-quality results every time. Number 3. Leather Round Oversized Service Tray. Elevate your serving experience with this 25 x 25-inch high-end light luxury leather round oversized service tray. Its classic circular shape paired with an exquisite leather texture adds refined elegance and sophistication to any space. Crafted from high-grade PU leather, it's durable, waterproof, heat-resistant, and won't crack like traditional wooden trays. The smooth leather surface is easy to clean. Just wipe with a damp cloth. Perfect for serving coffee, food, family dinners, parties, or outdoor picnics. It's also ideal for hotels, restaurants, and guest rooms. With its premium look and feel, this versatile tray delivers first-class visual and tactile appeal for every occasion. Number 2. Titan by Arctic Zone Deep Freeze Cooler. The Titan Deep Freeze Zipperless Hardbody Cooler delivers superior cooling performance with its patented flip-open, zipperless lid for fast, easy access to your drinks and snacks. Built with deep freeze performance insulation and a radiant heat barrier, it keeps ice solid for up to 2 days and holds up to 48 cans, making it perfect for travel, tailgates, camping, and picnics. The removable hardbody liner with Smart Shelf keeps delicate foods protected from heavier items. Designed for comfort, it includes an adjustable back-saver shoulder strap with an anti-slip pad and a rugged, water, and stain-repellent exterior. Easy to clean and built to last, this cooler is your go-anywhere essential. Number 1. Berlinzo Premium Clear Ice Ball Maker. Achieve perfect clarity with the Berlinzo Premium Clear Ice Ball Maker, a non-electric mold that creates crystal-clear ice spheres in just 24 hours. Designed to form impressive 2.4-inch extra-large ice balls, it elevates whiskey, bourbon, cocktails, coffee, and mocktails with stunning visual appeal. These large spheres melt slower, keeping drinks colder longer without dilution. Made with BPA-free food-grade silicone, the mold ensures easy, odorless, and taste-free ice release every time. Effortless to use and freezer-friendly, it includes silicone inserts and a storage bag, so you can prepare and store multiple ice balls. Perfect for home bars, parties, and elevated drink experiences. Thanks for watching. Below, check links in the description box. If this helped you, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.